oats, my friends. Overnight oats. I'm Carina, a nutrition and well-being coach, and today I'll show you how to make overnight oats. Super quick, super easy, one of my favorites. The only thing you gotta remember is to prep it the night before. Then we'll have some oats, some chia seeds, flax seeds, maple syrup, cinnamon, vanilla, some cacao powder, some chocolate chips. I got here my jar, perfect to take away if you prefer eating breakfast at work. So we'll be starting with half a cup of oats. Then we'll be adding some chia seeds and some flax seeds. I'm not the biggest fan of measuring, it just takes too long, so I'm just going by feel. But there will be some measurements in the recipe if you prefer to measure. Adding some cinnamon, let's add some vanilla, some maple syrup, some chocolate chips, some cacao powder, coconut yogurt, and some plant-based milk. Let's give it a bit of a stir. Now, I like adding some banana. Okay, all done! Let's put it in the fridge overnight and have a great breakfast tomorrow.